Join me to colour in another flower mandala from my Colouring Botanical Mandalas book. Today we are colouring in the ice plant mandala. So before I get started, I must remember to put the protective paper behind. I forgot to do that on one of my other designs. So I've chosen a limited palette, some pinks, yellow and some greens, and we are going to get colouring. So these ice plant flowers grow abundantly where my studio is in Spain. So when I go on my beach walks in the morning, there's so many of them hanging down onto the beach. They're kind of like a succulent flower. So they have all these gorgeous green, kind of succulent branches and then these most amazing flowers which are always in this bright pink and bright yellow as well, and they're so amazing to look at. Actually, they sometimes look as if they're not real. They are just so big and blooming, and I love them so much. So for this design, we've done a little bit of blending. I used two different pinks, so I've got a very subtle blend going on. And then for the succulent parts, I have blended these two greens together, which look gorgeous. And then I'm going to add a background colour that I've not used before. So that's going to go in the background, and we'll see what this looks like when it's finished. So the finished design, which I love, almost looks like it's tropical. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments.